Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Chase, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Chase, start by logging into your Chase account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the budgeting or financial wellness section. Click on this section to access the budgeting tools. Next, you will see the option to create a new budget. Select this option to start the budgeting process. You will be prompted to enter your monthly income. Input your total income accurately. After that, begin adding your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and loan payments. Then, add variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Chase may provide suggested categories based on your spending habits. Review these categories and adjust as needed. Once everything is entered, review your total income versus expenses. Chase will show you a summary of your budget. If your expenses exceed your income, you'll need to make adjustments. Consider reducing optional spending categories to stay on track. You can also set savings goals within the budgeting tool. After finalizing your budget, save your changes. Chase may allow you to set reminders for bill payments. Monitor your budget regularly through the dashboard. Track your actual spending to see how it aligns with your budget. Make updates to your budget as your financial situation changes. Utilize reports provided by Chase to analyze your spending patterns. Regularly review your progress towards your financial goals. With consistent monitoring, you can enhance your budgeting skills effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.